Hello and welcome back to Mr. Systems. Today I'll show you how you can completely update your Windows system and actually get additional driver updates and additional updates to your other Microsoft products and other products. Easiest way to do this is go down to the Windows button and go to Settings and go to Windows Update. In here, you can click for check for updates, and then it will go out through the internet and go to Microsoft's servers and check those servers if there's new updates for your PC. So click that, and in the meantime that it's checking for updates, we can go to the advanced options. Here I will recommend you on this receive updates for other Microsoft products to have it on. It will get the Microsoft updates and other updates together with your Windows updates when it goes out to the servers and check. And when you are updating, you can go down to the additional options and go to options updates. In here you will find your driver updates. As you can see, I got 2, so if you have any, I will recommend you to download these as well when you are going to get updates as well. And now, as you can see, since we clicked there check for updates, now it is downloading new updates that it has found to my Windows system. And that's about Windows Update. A very good thing is to check upon Windows Update from time to time, because it will boost your security in your system and it will actually make your performance in your system way better. So yeah, I hope this video has been informative and has helped you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.